Hi everybody, this is Andy and I'm here to tell you what's going on this month at Great Lakes Science Center. December is Energy Month and we are exploring the concepts of energy with a show called Energize It. It's all about the different forms of energy, different types of energy, and it has a very explosive finale. We also have a show called Wacky Water, which is all about water, hence the name Wacky Water. It depends on the day which show is actually going to be offered. You might be able to see both in one day. You might see one, you might see the other. So definitely check out our website to see the times of these different shows. And when you check in at the box office, when you come in for your visit, check what show is happening that day. We also have a cart called Squishy Circuits, which is all about electrical energy. And to explain squishy circuits is Cass, one of the scientists here at Great Lakes Science Center. So, Cass has set up squishy circuits, and they're going to go ahead and explain it.
All right, what I have here is I have part of squishy circuits. So in front of me is some Play-Doh, some LED lights, and a hand crank. Now what I've done is I've set up these two pieces of Play-Doh with the LED lights connected between them, a leg in each, and I've connected my hand crank into the back of each piece of Play-Doh. So I've got one piece of the crank in each piece of Play-Doh. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to crank the hand crank in one direction and see if I can turn the lights on. All right? Nothing seems to be happening. So now I'm going to crank the hand crank in the other direction and see if the lights turn on.
Oh.
Now that seemed to work. What I'm actually doing is I'm creating a circuit. Now, electricity is going from my hand crank into my Play-Doh, up the one leg of the LED light, turning on my light, into the other piece of the Play-Doh, and back around again. Squishy circuits. So I'm able to turn my LED lights on. What I like to do, though, is I like to flip around one of my LED lights so I can go back and forth, and I can crank my hand crank in different directions.
Look at that. Yeah, so the electricity is going in one direction when you crank it one way, and then it's going in the other direction the other way.
Exactly.
Yeah. Awesome. Thank you so much for showing us that, Cass. Cass is one of the scientists here at Great Lakes Science Center, so if you come on down, you'll be able to see them, you'll be able to see our other scientists, and check out all the cool stuff we have on offer. So enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you for sticking with us, and stay curious.